Alright, welcome to my sound test. This is a test of the sound on the Huawei Honor 7, which is my outgoing phone. The Huawei Honor 7 has a bottom facing speaker here. I'm going to be comparing that to my new phone, the ZTE Axon 7, with stereo speakers here. Both volumes have been set to maximum sound, and I'm playing the same video, which is a clip from Marques Brownlee's YouTube channel. So here we go. Both have been set to 1080p, by the way, even though the ZTE does allow you to play at a slightly higher, but the Huawei doesn't. I've turned off the boom sound, or rather the Dolby Atmos sound setting on the ZTE, so it's not playing with any equalizer setting or anything, it's just playing raw audio. So here we go. So you see, this is at maximum volume. It's not the loudest at all.
Hey, what is up, guys? MKBHD here.
Alright.
I think I found my new...
And now, let's go to the ZTE.
Hey, what is up, guys?
It's a
MKBHD
huge
here,
difference.
and I think I found my new favorite clock. That is not a...
Yeah. So the ZTE clearly, the ZTE has won many awards this year for being the loudest phone in the market. It compares it actually beats the LG V20 in terms of sound quality from the speakers. The V20 may have slightly better earphone experience, but this is the loudest and best sounding handset that came out in 2016. HTC M10 couldn't match it, nothing else. So this is the best phone if you want external speaker quality.